We have lost a great man, and that great man is Robin Williams. You will never see anyone quite like Robin Williams. He was awesome, and he was really, really funny. Go look up his stand-up. It's hilarious. You'll never see anything quite like it. And he inspired millions with his genius. He was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Actor 3 times, and he won an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. And let me tell you something, he deserved those awards. And he was the funniest man on earth. Robin Williams was one of a kind. He would change characters every time he did stand-up. It was amazing how he could do that. Robin Williams was an amazing man. He was nice, he was caring, and of course, he was funny. Robin Williams, you will be missed.